The YouTube channel La Mathematics welcomes you all to a new episode of second year higher secondary mathematics classes. Here, chapter 6, Application of Derivatives. We have studied velocity v equal to ds by dt. That is, velocity v equal to rate of change of displacement. Also, acceleration small a equal to dv by dt or rate of change of velocity. We have dy by dx means derivative of y with respect to x. We have studied some basic results. First, d by dx of x square equal to 2x. Second, d by dy of y square equal to 2y. D by dr of r square equal to 2r. Fourth, d by dt of t square equal to 2t. That is, derivative of x square with respect to x is 2x. Derivative of y square with respect to y is 2y. Derivative of r square with respect to r is 2r. Derivative of t square with respect to t is 2t. Here we find derivative of r square with respect to t. For this, we differentiate r square with respect to r, then multiply by dr by dt using chain rule. Therefore, d by dt of r square equal to 2r into dr by dt. Similarly, d by dt of x square equal to 2x into dx by dt. Hence, d by dt of pi r square equal to pi into 2r into dr by dt. Here take 2 and pi are constants, equal to 2 pi r into dr by dt. If capital A equal to pi r square, then differentiating both sides with respect to t, we get d by dt of capital A equal to d by dt of pi r square equal to 2 pi r into dr by dt. If capital V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, then differentiating both sides with respect to t, we get d by dt of capital V equal to d by dt of 4 by 3 pi r cube equal to 4 by 3 pi into 3 r square into dr by dt. On simplification, we get 4 pi r square into dr by dt. These basic results we use in the case of problem solving. Question number 1. Find the rate of change of area of a circle with respect to its radius, or when first r equal to 3 centimeter, second r equal to 4 centimeter. We have the area of a circle capital A with radius small r is given by capital A equal to pi r square. The rate of change of the area with respect to its radius is given by d by dr of capital A equal to d by dr of pi r square equal to 2 pi r. Here we differentiate pi r square with respect to r. Therefore, its answer 2 pi r. 2 and pi is taken as constant. First, when r equal to 3 centimeter, d by dr of capital A when r equal to 3. Here we substitute r equal to 3 equal to 2 pi into 3 equal to 6 pi. Hence, the area of the circle is changing at the rate of 6 pi centimeter square per second when its radius is 3 centimeter. Similarly, we find when r equal to 4 centimeter. When r equal to 4 centimeter, d by dr of capital A when r equal to 4 equal to 2 pi into 4 equal to 8 pi. Hence, the area of the circle is changing at the rate of 8 pi centimeter square per second when its radius is 4 centimeter. Question number 2. The volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. How fast is the surface area increasing when the length of an edge is 12 centimeter? Answer. Let x be the length of a side, capital V be the volume, and capital S be the surface area of the cube. Then we have volume V equal to x cube and surface area S equal to 6x square, where x is the function of time t. We have volume of a cube is length into breadth into height. Therefore, x into x into x. Therefore, capital V equal to x cube. And we have, for a cube, there are 6 faces. Each face is of area x square. Therefore, surface area of a cube is 6x square. Given that dV by dt equal to 8 centimeter cube per second. That is given the volume of the cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. Differentiating with respect to time t, dV by dt equal to d by dt of x cube equal to d by dx of x cube into dx by dt. Here we use chain rule equal to 3x square into dx by dt. Equation number 2. Using equation 1 and equation 2, dx by dt equal to 8 by 3x square. Equation number 3. Also, ds by dt equal to d by dt of 6x square equal to d by dx of 6x square into dx by dt. Here we use chain rule equal to 12x into dx by dt. We have dx by dt equal to 8 by 3x square by equation 3 equal to 12x into 8 by 3x square. On simplification, we get 32 by x. When x equal to 12 centimeter, ds by dt when x equal to 12 equal to 32 by 12 equal to 8 by 3. Hence, if the length of the cube is 12 centimeter, then the surface area is increasing at the rate of 8 by 3 centimeter square per second. Question number 3. The radius of a circle is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Find the rate at which the area of the circle is increasing when the radius is 10 centimeter. Answer. The area of a circle capital A with radius small r is given by capital A equal to pi r square. The rate of change of area capital A with respect to time t is given by d by dt of capital A equal to d by dt of pi r square equal to d by dr of pi r square into dr by dt equal to 2 pi r into dr by dt. Given that dr by dt equal to 3 centimeter per second. Here in question, given that the radius of a circle is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Therefore, dr by dt equal to 3 centimeter per second. On differentiation, d by dt of capital A equal to 2 pi r into 3 equal to 6 pi r. Thus, when r equal to 10 centimeter, d by dt of capital A equal to 6 pi into 10 equal to 60 pi. Hence, the rate at which the area of the circle is increasing when the radius is 10 centimeter is 60 pi centimeter square per second.